Häcker Küchen, German-made. We've been producing fitted kitchens for decades. The ultimate in quality, functionality and design from a single source as a partner for our specialist dealers, for our customers. As a family-owned company, we at Häcker stand by our responsibilities to the environment, to our staff, to our customers. Our products are designed to make people happy because they're beautiful and practical, functional and built to last. This is our motivation. This is why we focus our know-how and our passion here at the heart of Europe. We stand for quality and innovation, for reliability and internationalism, for perfection and service. Häcker stands for a consummate level of automation, not as an end in itself, but as the only means of manufacturing top-quality, customized products at competitive prices. Our work processes are so finely adjusted that we can be absolutely customer-oriented. This automation gives us the freedom to work constantly on improved products and deliver trailblazing innovations again and again. However fascinating our production is, and however technical and automated the process is, without the inquisitiveness, knowledge and commitment of the Häcker workforce, the production lines would grind to a halt. Thinking through and perfecting complete process chains is one of our great strengths. We take one step earlier and go one step further. Service for our partners' benefit. We provide unique programs and services so our trade partners can focus on their customers and the advice they give them. We do nearly everything else. We check the plausibility of the plans, confirm the order and meet the deadline. With our own computer systems and with real people, fix contact persons at headquarters and fix teams on our delivery rounds. You know who you're dealing with.
Küchen.germanMade, guten Tag.
Häcker Küchen, Peter à l'appareil, bonjour.
Dobre, Häcker Kuchni hemen.
Häcker Küchen, Giuseppe.
Häcker Kuchni germanMade.
Tabii ki. Bir saniye bekleyin.
Our quality standards and quality philosophy are comprehensive. Not only the best material and the best workmanship in our products, our quality focus is reflected in every step, in every detail. Quality standards that are among the toughest in the world. For us, quality includes environmental protection, from the conviction that only a sustainable company is prepared for the future. This sustainability is an essential part of our corporate direction, and we also practice it in our dealings with our partners and with our staff, because we are the company's potential and its capital. That's how it is in a family-owned company. We are committed to continuous ongoing development. The direction and the policy we determine ourselves. We face challenges together with all our strong partners on the solid foundation of our independence.